Hey everybody, it's Neil and I am outside here by the pool. Hopefully you can hear me over the sound of that stuff there. But check out what I have here. I have a battery powered fuel transfer pump. I got it not to transfer fuel, but to transfer water from my hydroponic system. So we're gonna give this thing a try and see how it looks and see if it'll actually work for my needs. I'm out here by the pool, so we can use the pool for some of these things here. So let's see what we got here. Oh, we're gonna have to get a lot of batteries. I need 6 batteries. I'll be right back. I gotta go. Okay, I got some batteries, but you can kind of see it. If I would have had 2 D batteries, it would have worked, but so I have to use the double A's, and I just put them in here. Pretty easy to see how it goes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now I have 2 equivalent D batteries, I guess. And then here is the pump right here. So let's see, how do these go? Pretty. Let's see, how do we do? So here's the instructions right here. So let's just see how the battery, which direction they go in. Still can't even tell. Where's the bag? Oh, here. Okay, so I'm gonna guess it goes this way. Front, and then here's the little cap for the back. Put a little switch on it. Let's screw that on. And let's see if we turn it on. Okay, I hear noise going, so let's see what happens here. So I don't know which side is sucking, which side is not. Let's look. So I'm gonna guess this is the motors, and the motor's down here where it sucks it in, and then this is where it's gonna spit it out. So let's try it here in the pool and see what happens. So I turned it on, and there it is. So it's working. So I'll show you guys it here. So you can see I've got it held in with my feet here in the water, but it's just sucking in from down there, and then just putting that out there. So that's gonna be perfect for, I just stick this into my hydroponic pump, into my hydroponic tower, into the bucket, and it'll just suck out all the water. So very cool. So, and it's got all these different settings here, so you can put it onto gas cans and whatnot, but I don't even need any of that stuff there. I'm just gonna put it in there. I guess I could even screw it into the top of my lid of my hydroponic tower somehow, but don't need it. So I'm just gonna use it just like this, and this is what it's gonna do. So super cool for me, perfect, and it's gonna make it so much easier, so I don't have to sit there and take the whole tower apart to dump it. So this is gonna be awesome. Thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.